this is my little makeup corner. I already started putting my makeup into this little cute bag with daisies on it. I'm pretty sure this mess will be gone by today. I think I'll finish that. And yeah. Okay, so I divided my packing list into two sections. The first section is things I must bring, and then it's things that I would bring if I still had space in my luggage. So I've made my bed. I just laid out my sheets to put everything on there that I want to pack to go to Australia. List. A bunch of things on there. I'll just see what I can find. Yo, Ian. Who's coming with me and I have 25 kg check-in luggage and 7 kilos cabin. I already packed some things. I bought these packing cubes on AliExpress, but I started packing 3 weeks ago, but only the summer tops because it's currently winter in Germany and I wasn't wearing any of those. Those are a lot. This is already a quarter of the check-in luggage. It's a lot. Maybe I'll try and get everything out first before I decide to leave some things behind. Okay, first of all, I will see which jeans, denim jeans, pants I'll bring. Joggings. These ones as well. A little flare. Okay, and I think that's it for the ones in my drawer. I still got these, but I'm currently wearing them, so I cannot pack those yet. Then there are these, but I need to fix them because there's a hole. Here it is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. What else can I bring? Okay, I have this skirt and from Fila. Oh, it's from Urban Outfitters. One skirt, and then in my closet, I have these as well. It has pants inside. These. We have two. Maybe this black one. Oh, what's this? 3. Sorted those out. We got out the luggage and I put many more things on the bed. It's filled to the brim. Currently almost 6 a.m. and it's almost time to go. ASMR. Melbourne. Offline.
Long way to go.
We arrived and it's a mess. So much to organize. Outfit of the day. So we arrived on time yesterday, and then we're right now at a friend's house, and we had no breakfast yet. We only got ready. Today we're going out to tour the villa in which we are going to be renting one room for the two of us, and we're gonna buy a few things that we need. Damn. Yeah, I missed telling anything, but we went to see the room we're going to rent today, and it's a pretty reasonable price for the both of us. And the place is near a bus station, and not as near as the bus station, but there is the tram station as well. Yeah, and then we just ate something for dinner. Just regular rice and soup. And we just did our skincare. Tomorrow we are going to the city center, I think. And what we need most right now is a new SIM card, because anything we want to do here requires us to have an Australian number. Bye. We're going to buy a SIM card now. I gave a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel that love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. No, put the set with the hole down. To the room we're renting and to move in. Break. Well, gonna have to say bye to this room.